No, today we will do conic section, okay? Let's start from the end, okay? Right. So solve question number 62. Hurry up. Everyone, solve question number 62. The two parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y intersect. That's so simple. Yeah, 2 point on y equal to x. Very good. Hmm. This point and this point. 1 point 0 comma 0, another point I hope 4a comma 4a. Right? 4a comma. If you'll put in the first equation 4a, 16a square equal to 4a into 4a, 16a square. We'll put 4a in the second equations, 16a square equal to 16a square, okay? Both equations will satisfy by 4a comma 4a and 0 comma 0. So we have 2 points, 0 comma 0 and 4a comma, both lies on y equal to x line. Both lies on. So A is the correct answer. Now solve 61. Hurry up. Do it. Do it. The equation of the circle, the equation represent hyperbola. It's represent a hyperbola. No need to solve it. You can answer orally, okay? Now solve 60. Do it. The sum of the focal distance of a point on the ellipse is constant and equal to 2a. You will know that SP plus S dash P, sum of a variable point P from first focus plus sum of the same variable point from the second focus is equal to 2a. 2a is the length of major axis. 2a is the length of major axis. Any problem? You can earn 4 questions today, okay? If you were lucky, there will be 4 questions from conic sections. From conic sections. From today parts. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now, question number 59. What is the equation of the ellipse whose vertices are? X square upon 5 square 25, y square upon 4 square 16. sorry, whose vertices are 4, 5, and 4 key. So we have to find B. A is 4. A is 4 and A is 5. So B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. Any problem? So B square, A square, A square, E square. Any problem? So B square, 5 square, 25. And this is 4 square is 16. You will get 9. So you will be deceived in exam if you will do silly mistake, okay? If you will do silly mistakes, you will be deceived. Here the in questions foci is given. Foci. Foci is given. AE. Understood? Shortest path, I am giving you the solutions. For 58, solid. Hurry up. The equation of the ellipse. Whose center? The equation of the ellipse, whose center is at the origin. Major axis is along x-axis with eccentricity 3/4. And latest rectum 4a equal to 4, so a equal to 1. A equal to ellipse, sorry. In ellipse 2b square upon a. Value whose center major axis along the x-axis. So 2b square upon a. You will get the relation between these two. Eccentricity 3/4. So we have to find a and b. So for hyperbola, b square equal to a square 1 e square minus 1. Any problem? Tell me. Students, tell me. B square upon a equal to a e square is 9/16. Sorry, in ellipse I have 1 minus e. 1 minus e square. So 1 minus 9/16. B square by a square you will get 2. You will get? Understood? So b square equal to a square 1 minus a square. A will be keep and will divide by a. So you will get this side a. You will get here 2 a times. This is 5/16. I hope. Is it correct? No, 7. Yeah. It will be 7/16. Now finally a will be 32/7. Now what you will get? A b square equal to a. So you will get here 32/7. So b square a is sorry. Here 2 times multiply. So 64 here. 64/7 and a square is 32 square 1024 upon 49. Any problem? Now the option is we have to find x square 124 upon 49 and plus y square 64 upon 7. That's the given answers. Here you will multiply with 7 both side. Okay, understood? Right. Any problem you have? Tell me. So here you will get 49 in x square 1024 49 y square upon 64 into 7. 7 7 ja 7 7 ja. Okay. So you will get 49 x square upon 1024 7 y square upon 64 equal to 1. Any problem? B is the correct answer. Understood? That is a good question. Good question. I will tell you. Personally, I will tell you. For NDA, this is a good questions. Is the for NDA 59 the good questions. 50, 60 is the simple question, 61 simple question, and 60. So 60, 61, 62, I don't have values, but 58 and 59, I have values. I have values. 9, then 57, solve it. Hurry up. When you will find three things, S1 greater than 0 outside the ellipse, outside the ellipse, important. S1 equal to 0 on the ellipse, inside the ellipse. So what is S1? S1 is your a x1 square plus by1 square plus 2hx1y1 plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is the S1. Understood? So from here S is equal to 2x square plus 7y square. Now I'm solving the questions. You can see how much we will take times. Now I'm solving the questions. Earlier I was teaching you for the meaning of outside, inside, and on the ellipse. Understood? Now I'll put the point S1. So 1 comma 2, 1 square, so 2, 2 square 4, 4, 7 4 is 28 minus 20. That's when a positive outside the circle, outside the ellipse. So you will get outside. A is the correct answer. Understood? So we take 30 seconds only. We take for solving the questions. Earlier I was teaching you. Because I think this portion I didn't taught. This person didn't. Understood? That's why I deal with this. Okay. I will deal everything. Whatever I have not taught you. But I will not deal that part. Which part I am already finished. That means I have already taught. So next question. Right. 56B, no problem. Now solve 55. Good question. Solve 55. The equation is having A is 2 and eccentricity is 1 by 4. So you will get A is equal to 8. B square, A square 1 minus E square, A square a square e square. So a square 8 square is 64. A square e square 2 square 4 60. Understood? So x square upon 64 plus y square upon 60. You will get the final answer. Understood, everyone? Learn the calculations of ellipse. How I do calculation easily? I do calculate easily. So learn these type of calculations. This is the learning phase. You have to learn the calculation methods. Otherwise, you will need more steps in calculation. Okay, right? So especially see this calculation. How I do the calculations. Which part is given? I am on which part I am focused. On which part I am, and how I will find. How I will find. That should be learned. That should be learned. Now, question number 53 and 54, especially good questions because this is the 2016 question. Do that. Solve it. Hurry up. You have the parabola and the straight lines. What the coordinate point on the parabola which is closest to the straight line? Closest to the straight line. And what is the shortest distance from the above point on the parabola to the line? Right. First draw the curve. So what should be the curve? Whether it will be positive or negative, tell me. Both roads will be negative or positive? Both will be negative, I hope. The graph will be go like that. Both will be negative. Now slope is positive. Slope is intercept is negative. You will get line this like that. Right. So tangent parallel to this line and contact point. Very, very important concepts. No. A tangent parallel to this line. The line has slope 3. The line has slope 3. Any problem? This line has y equal to 3x plus c. I don't know the intercept. I don't know the intercepts. This is the point I have to find, and the distance between common normal. The distance between these 2 points is simple. Distance between these 2 points is, so I have to find the tangent first. When I will find the tangent, distance will be simple. The contact point. How you will find the contact point? What is the contact point of parabola? Tell me. 80 square, comma 280. That means a by m square, comma 2a by m. Here m is given. How you will find a? That's the main motive. You find the a? Because the slope of the tangent is given 3. Understood? Right. The contact point is a upon 3a square 9, 2a upon 3. Any problem? Understood? Now we'll find a according to the parabola equations. Y equal to x square plus 7x plus 2. I'll form the squaring complete. So x square plus 2 times x 7 by 2. I will add 7 by 2 square. Subtract 7 by 2. Any problem? Yes. 2 is already present. X plus 7 by 2 whole square. Right? Minus 49 by 4 plus 2. Any problem? Now, x minus 7 by 2, sorry, x minus or minus 7 by 2 to the whole square is equal to y 49 plus 8 minus 41. So with this will be minus minus plus minus. Take this side, this will be plus. So how I will treat minus 41 upon 4. Any problem? So minus 7 by 2 plus a by m square is the x coordinate of point of contact. Is the shifted. This is the, sorry, this is the upward version. In upward version, 2a by m. 2a by upon a by m square. Any problem? So here, minus 7 by 2 plus 2 into 4a. A is 1 by 4. A is by 3. Any problem? So you will get here minus 7, 2 to the 4, 2 by 3, 7 3 is 21, and 4 upon 6, the 17. First, I am doing wrong. Am I doing wrong? Concept is correct, no problem. Parabola we upward. Y equal to straight lines. Y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x minus 3. 3x plus c, no problem. The parabola equations, x square plus 7x plus this. Contact point of this is x1 plus 2a by m, okay? And y contact point is y1 plus 2a by m square. A by m square. Any problem? Now we know the value of m. M is 3. M is, now have to find a, x1, y1, okay? Again, I will calculate y equal to x square plus 7x plus 2, 2 times x, 7 by 2. Any problem here up to now? This will be x plus 7 to whole square. Any problem? 7 square is 49. Any problem? 2 square is 4. Any problem? So y x plus 7 by 2 whole square, 49 minus 4 to the 8 by 4. This side 41 by 4. x plus 7 by 2 to the whole square, y plus 41 by 4, x minus minus 7 by 2 to the whole square, y minus minus 41 by 4. In place of 4a, I have 1. So we'll get a equal to 1 by 4. Any problem? And in place of x1, I will get minus 7 by 2. So here I will put x equal to minus 7 by 2. 2 in place of a 1 by 4. In place of m, 3a square, 9. So, no, 2a by m, 3 only. Right? 2 to the 4, 7th is a 21 plus 4 by 6. I have minus 17 by 6. What I have done by this? कितना नंबर? ऑप्शन से जाने का नहीं, कितना नंबर था अभी? All the points given in the option lie on the parabola. Thus, we'll calculate the distance from the given. ओह, इसका मतलब वो नहीं, वो समझ में आ गया. इसका मतलब सीधा ये हुआ. नो लिसन, इसका मतलब सीधा ये हुआ कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स मैं बता रहा, ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स यहाँ पे कॉमन नॉर्मल में ही क्या होते हैं? शॉर्टेज डिस्टेंस होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? शॉर्टेज डिस्टेंस कॉमन नॉर्मल में होते हैं ना, इजीली फाइंड होने का चाहिए. अगर मैं ये तो हो गया, 2 रूट्स इसके क्या हो गए? नेगेटिव हो गए, क्योंकि इसके जो क्वेश्चन है क्या है? दोनों 7 स्क्वायर इज 49, 40 और 4 2 जा 8, so under root 41. So all coefficients are negatives and d is more than 0, so both root is negative. Both root is, any problem? Now suppose that this will go like that, right? Slope is 3 minus 3, right? That's when maybe that the point that will not the tangent to this, that will not the parallel to this. Maybe this will go like that, or maybe this will go like that. So this will not the parallel. This can be a intersecting. This can be a intersectings, right? So the given line is not parallel to the tangents at the point where I'm finding the shortest distance. When I'm finding the, so this is not the concept. Understood? Any problem? Now simply check the point 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2 equal to 2. Any problem? When you will put minus 2, so minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 square is 4. 7 to ja 14 minus 14. Minus 14 of 4 plus 2, 6. 14 minus 14 plus 3 minus 8 will be. So this point will also on the all point on the parabola. So the distance from this and will get in one pinch both answer. Both answer will get. The point which gives lowest distance is called the nearest to, right? And you will also find the distance. So here you have 3x minus y minus 3 equal to, we will put first 0 comma 2, so 0 minus 2 minus 3 mod under root 10 pi upon under root 10. Any problem? When we put minus 2, what you will get here? Minus 2 is minus 6, okay? Plus 8 minus 3. Minus 9 is 1 by root 10. How much? 1 by? For minus 7. 7 3 is 21 minus a minus 2 a minus 3. Obviously we get bigger value. Obviously we get, you will get bigger value. Then 1. 1 means 3 a minus 10 a minus 3. Again you will get bigger value. So we have a smallest value 1 by root 10. Shortest distance in 54 is A. Sorry, C. Shortest distance in 54. C. And the point is the decided minus 2 comma minus 8. Understood everyone? Now solve 52. Hurry up. The eccentricity of the rectangular parabole root 2, no problem. Solve 51. Hurry up. Everyone. Solve it. Hmm. 173. Solve 51. Hurry up. Everyone. Solve it 51. 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. Intercept If the ellipse intercept the line, then what is the length of the chord is formed? Tell me. बहुत लंबा नहीं हो जाएगा. इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ. 9x square plus 16y is 12 minus 3y. 12 minus 3y whole square upon 4. So 12 minus 3x. And 4 square is 16. Any problem? 144, 16, 16. Cancel. So 9x square, 144. 3 to the 12 36 72 72 plus 9x square. 144, 142 cancel. You will get 918x square minus 72. 18 x common. X minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Any problem? Y equal to 4. Any problem? X equal to 0, x equal to 4. Right. For x equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 3. For x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Understood? So this is the first point. This is the second point. Understood? X minus x1 4 square, 5 answer. Understood? 500 square. Then solve 50 questions. Hurry up. The equation of hyperbola having latest rectum and eccentricity respectively. Nothing is given. Sorry. Denominator of x square is more than denominator of y square, so it's a horizontal. It's a horizontal. That means latest rectangle 2b square upon a is equal to 8. And eccentricity is 3 by root 5. Understood? Tell me. Understood, my birds? Now we have b square is equal to a square minus 1. Now b square by a square, I already told you, solve with technique. Now b square upon a square is 4. 2 to the 4. A e square is 9 by 5 minus 1. So a 9 minus 5 by 5. So a will be 5. So a square will be 25. A square will be 5. Now b square you got 20. So option A is the correct option. Understood, everyone? Now, what is the eccentricity of 49? 51 is the good question. 50 to 53 is the good question. 54 is the good questions. And 55 is the good questions. I have the value of these questions, okay? Right? Then 49 is a simple question. Solve it. 49. Hurry up. 49. Solve it. Did I calculate? So you can calculate at home. X square, you will multiply with 40, 41, 44. So 69 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So a square is 3, b square is 16. You can calculate. You can. Now 48 you can calculate at home. Do you want to do right now 47 or you will calculate at home? Tell me. 47 do you want? 57 you do you want to calculate right now? Now 46 the point and the parabola nearest to the focus. It's abscissa. Nearest to the focus. The point on the parabola nearest to the focus has that's the vertex. That's the vertex 0, 0, abscissa is 0. Any problem? 46 and 45. What the area enclosed by the parabola and the line? Enclosed by the parabola, the line and the y-axis in the first quadrant. The first quadrant. Tell me. Solve this question. Good questions. 44. 44, solve it. Direction based questions here. 43 and 44 is the direction based questions. X square is upside, will go upside. And then what the focus of this? What the focus of parabola 4 by 3 is equal to 4 1 by 3 0 comma 1 by 3 and 2x equal to 3y plus 14. So y intercept when you will put x equal to 0, y intercept is 6. The y intercept 6. What is the x intercept? You will get negative minus 4. Now, where the line cut the parabola at 2 points? At this point, and they solve these two lines. So, what is the option of 43? Tell me. I will solve the parabola. Then how you could answer? How could the answer? Yeah, that's correct. Which point is correct? Which option? C is the correct option. Now, what the area enclosed by the parabola and the line, you have to find this area. So integrate -4, sorry, C, that means -2. 4, up to 4 you have to integrate. Upside is line. So line is 3x by 2 plus 12. A downside is parabola, minus parabola is 3x square upon 4 dx. Integrate it, you will get the answer. 3x by 2, yeah, very good, very good. 6 to the 12, 6. Integrate it, you will get the answer. Understood? For 44. So 43 and 44 are the good questions for you. Tell me, is it good? After 43, solve 42. Hurry up. Do it. Do it. 42. This is the 16 times 25. A square is smaller, B square is bigger, vertical. So here what is the latest, the length of the latest another ellipse? Say 2a square upon b. 2a square upon. For vertical ellipse, you have 2a square upon b. For horizontal ellipse, 2b square upon a. That's why I tell you solve this question. Good questions. Here a is more than b. Vertical, right? If a more than b, vertical ellipse. Write down. If greater than b, then vertical ellipse. And a less than b. Sorry. This is a less than b here. Vertical ellipse. And a greater than b is a horizontal ellipse. Write this concept, very important. If a less than b, vertical ellipse. In vertical ellipse, length of latest rectum is 2a square upon b. 2a square upon, for vertical ellipse. For horizontal ellipse, a greater than b. For horizontal, length of latest rectum is 2b square upon a. Understood? Understood my words, everyone? So here, 2a square is 16, I hope. B is 5. So 32 by 5. D is the correct answer. Understood, everyone? Now solve 41. Hurry up. Solve 41. What the equation of parabola whose vertex at 0, 0 and focus? That's no problem. X minus 0 to the whole square. And 4. Length of the focus is 2. Length of the A is 2. And y minus plus 2. So x square equal to 8y plus 2. The final answer. Sorry, it was wrong. This is not shifted. I have to only multiply with y. Only multiply with a negative sign. With negative sign. So you will get x square plus 8y equal to 0. C is the correct answer. C is the C is the correct answer. Prem, you are wrong. It's not D. Sir, 42 or 42D. 41. For vertical parabola. For vertical parabola, x minus alpha to the whole square equal 4a times y minus beta plus minus. For upward plus, for downward minus. And for horizontal y minus beta to the whole square 4a times x minus alpha plus to the right minus to the left. Understood my words? Any problem? So here 41. Focus is minus 2 comma 0. Focus is 0 comma minus 2. Downward. Vertex is at the origin. So alpha is 0, beta is 0. So this is the vertical. This is the but downward. Vertical. So vertical x minus alpha is 0. Any problem? Minus downward 4. What is the length of A? Length of A is 2. And y minus 0. Any problem? Passing through the origin. X square equal to minus 8y. X square plus 8y equal to 0. Understood, everyone? Now solve 39 and 40. Hurry up. Do it, everyone. What is the area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse? Greatest triangle that can be inscribed in a ellipse. Solve this. Ellipse. Area of the greatest that can be inscribed. So I will take rectangle here. Okay. Right. So this is the center. Is the from center you will get this length. I think you should remember the greatest rectangle. This is the AB. You will get. I'm saying the satta. You are focused on satta, so I will tell you the satta. What is the satta? No, that's. No, I will tell you the satta. That satta. The greatest rectangle in the circle is a square. Understood? So this length A, this length A, this length A, this length A. So greatest rectangle area is A square. But what is the radius of this? The radius of this A. Right? Any problem? No. This is root 2 times. This is A. This is A. 90. This is root 2 times A. This is root 2 times A. So area will be 2A square. Area will be 2A square. Understood? Here you have A, B. You have A, B. Understood? Any problem? You will multiply with root 2 times AB. You will multiply with root 2 times AB. We will put A equal to B. It will form the square. It will form the square. How? Root 2 A into A squared. So root 2 times A. Understood? Understood my words? If circle radius is A, circle radius is ellipse will be circle. Ellipse will be if A equal to B. If A equal to, then it is a circle. Understood my words? Any problem? So the side length will be under root this. Any problem? Good, right? So what you will do for ellipse, because here we cannot get we cannot get a square. We'll get here we will get a rectangle. Okay. So one arm we can get root 2 times AB. And here you will find a square. Yeah. Here you will also find a square. Here, Sushil, here you will also find a square of this shape. So the side length will be root 2 times AB. Side length will be root 2 times AB. So the area will be root 2 times AB whole square. I think answer should be 2AB. Answer should be, let's I find which question. How much question number? 39. B is the correct answer for 39. Yeah, I'm right. Correct. I was doing the right things. Okay. इसमें क्या एक्सप्लेन किया वो मेथड लगा के बनाया होगा मेथड लेके बनाया होगा तो तुम कर ही रहा था तो बोला सट्टा आई वांट सट्टा ओके नहीं दिया इसलिए बोला आपको सट्टा तो दे दिया एक्सप्लेन चाहिए लॉन्ग कट भी चाहिएगा एक्सप्लेनेशंस भी दे दूंगा नाउ आई विल टेल यू एक्सप्लेनेशंस और सट्टा अभी बता दिया मैंने मैं बोला प्रोसीजर यूज किए प्रोसीजर नहीं आइंस्टीन का थ्योरी नहीं देख आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट suppose that this is the good satta you have to remember in for your NDA. Suppose that the radius is A. I will tell you that the Rectangle whose area will be maximum is called a square in the circle. You know this concept already. You know the proof already. Don't record up. So this is a square. I've taken maximum area. I've taken this is the square. A square form right angle at center. Any problem? The radius of the circle is AA. Side will be root 2 times A. You can be written this as root 2 times A square. Any problem? Root 2 times A into A. Any problem? For ellipse when A equal to B, then it is called circle. For ellipse when A equal to B, it is called a circle. So the sides of the square, side of square is equal to root 2 times AB. Any problem? Now the area, root 2 times AB whole square. Any problem? So this will be 2AB. Understood? Understood my words? Any problem? This is called satta. This is called, that means whether it is a ellipse or circle. Whether it is a ellipse or circle. Rectangle whose area is maximum is called a square. It's called a square. And the side length will be root 2 times radius. Side length will be root 2 times radius. Radius. Understood? Any problem? Now, do you want explanation of this, Susil? I can explain it. Suppose that you find this is a square, right? This is the square. So here you will find 90 degree. So obviously, what is the radial length? What is the radial length? So this is A cos theta, B sin theta. Understood? Any problem? But after 90 degree shifting, you will get this point. So here you will get minus A sin theta. You get? From here you will get 45 degree, okay? In between these two, you have 90, right? So hold on. Hold on. Yeah, this is the square. So in a square you will get 90 degree. So here 45, here 45. After theta, even you will rotate by 90 degree. When you will rotate by, you will reach to the other vertex, okay? Right? So cos pi by 2 plus theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta minus sin theta. Understood? So minus A sin theta. Here, B cos theta. Understood? Now this is the under root. This is square plus this is square. Right? What are you saying? Tell me. For this vertex, you want 80. Okay. For this 270 degree. Understood? Any problem? So you can get the answers. So I will suggest you rely on Satta. Rely on Satta. The Satta I told you about the circle. About the circle, then I relate with the ellipse. Understood? We want proper explanations. I can start. I can. Now do 38. Hurry up. See options. 38. What is sum of major and minor axis of ellipse whose eccentricity is 4 by 5, length of lattice rectum 14.4 unit. Length of lattice is 2 square upon 2b square upon a is equal to 14.4. So I have to find a. B square a square 1 minus e square b square by a1 minus e square b square by 7.2 a and e square is 16 by 25 772.100 7.22 by 10 a into 9 upon 25. Any problem? 9 8 ja 9 8 ja 5 5 ja 5 2 ja. Any problem? So 2 4 ja 5 4 ja 20. So ultimately you will get 2a major axis length 40. None of these. Nana? So, so the major axis length is 40. What is in the questions? Oh, sum of major and minor. So I have to find B also. I have to find B also. So B square is equal to 7.2 72 by 10 into A. What is A is 20. 144. B is 12. B is so 32 is the sum. 32 is the A is the correct answer. Sorry, sum of major and minor both whole axis. Same ही no. So 40 and 24. 64. Correct. 37. Solve, hurry up. Do it. Hurry up. Do it, everyone. Y square equal to minus 2x. The axis of the parabola is x-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. So simple questions, no problem. Now 36, solve it. Y square, its principal axis is x-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. And x square when parabola, you will have principal axis as a y-axis, okay? Our axis equation is x equal to 0. Understood? Here we have in 37 y square. That means principal axis is x-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. Now solve 30. 6. 4x square minus 9y square equal to 1. From here you will get x square 1 by 4, y square 1 by 9. This is a hyperbola. Foci I have to find. So here b square equal a square, e square minus 1. So I'll do b square equal a square. See the calculation, how I'm doing calculations. So a square, e square, a square plus b square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. A to the whole square is equal to 9 plus 13 by 36. So you will get AE plus minus under root 13 by 6 is the correct answer. B is the, any problem? You can see how you will calculate. Otherwise, you will not adopt the calculation of these types. You will need more calculation. You will need more calculations. Now, the difference of the focal distance of any point on the hyperbola is equal to the transverse axis. Equal to the transverse axis. You know the for hyperbola SP modulus minus S dash P equal to 2a times. For hyperbola, for the difference of the focal length, the difference of the focal length is equal to length of the transverse axis in hyperbola. Transverse axis is 2a for horizontal, understood? Right? Any problem? So 34, solve it, hurry up. Hurry up, solve it. What is the equation of the ellipse whose vertices? Recently I have done this question, so I will not do these questions. The center of the ellipse lies between 0 to 1, so B is the correct answer. Any problem? Now solve 32. The sum of the focal distance of a point, sum of the focal distance of the point on the ellipse. Here major axis is 3L, 3 length, so that means 6 unit. That means 6 unit for ellipse. Here major is not A, here major is B. Here major is B square is 9, so B is 3. B is 3. So sum of focal length is 2 times B. 2 times frame, understood? Now 31, solid, hurry up. What is the eccentricity? X square 44. 4 से 12, 4 से 24, y square 9 का 9, 16, 1. Horizontal ellipse. So what is the eccentricity? Eccentricity B square, A square, 1 minus E square. So here B square is 16 upon 36 and 1 minus E square. So E square 1 minus 4 4 is 16, 4 9 is 36. So E square is 5 by 9. Ellipse eccentricity cannot be negative, so root 5 by 3. Understood everyone? Tell me. A is the correct answer. So 30. Now solve 30. Hurry up. Do it. Everyone. The latest rectum of the ellipse is equal to half of the minor axis. Latest rectum, the is equal to the of the minor axis. Then what is the latest rectum? You will do P square upon A. Half of minor axis. Minor axis is B. Minor axis. Minor axis B. Whole minor axis is 2B. Minor axis is B. Understood? Right. Major axis length 2A. Minor axis length B. B is 2, minor axis length is 2B. So half of minor axis, that means B, understood? B will cancel. So A equal to 2B. Now the eccentricity, B square upon A square, 1 minus E square, A square, B square is, I will let B square is B square, and A square is 4B square. So E square is 3 by 4. So E is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 2, very good. C is the correct answer. Understood, everyone? Now solve 29. Hurry up, everyone. Solve 29. What the focal distance of any point on the parabola? What is the focal distance for A plus x1, right? So both are positive. This is the formula. No need to solve. 28. Good question. Solve it. What the area of triangle formed by the line joining the vertex of the parabola and ends of the lattice? And solve it. Good questions. I will tell you. And you can solve in 1 minute or 30 seconds if you are capable. Data system is this. So this is the height and this is the triangle. So no need to do anything here. Only find what is the sorry, here it should be vertical parabola. It should be vertical parabola for 28. So 4a equal to 12. 0, 3 is the height. 0, 3 is the height. Now put y equal to 3. Bharatiya 36. So you will get 6. This length is 6. This length is. So 6 is 6 is 12. Half into 12 into 3. So 2 6 are 12. So you will get 18 unit. You will get 18 unit. D is the correct answer. Right? Understood, everyone? Because this is your time. This is your triangle. Understood? Now solve 27. Hurry up. Do it, everyone. Solve it. For the point of intersection of the curve with the conjugate axis. With the conjugate axis. So you have to find the B. You have to find the B for conjugate axis. So x square upon 1 by 4 minus y square upon 1 upon 9 is equal to 1. Any problem? Conjugate axis is y axis. So we'll get 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Okay. So here none of these. Here no such point exists here. Right? We'll get 1 by 3 come. Yeah. 0, 1 by 3, 0, minus 1 by 3. It should be the option. Understood? So no such option present here. Okay. Now solve 25. Hurry up. Yeah, I already solved it. This question. Solve 24. Hurry up. Do it, everyone. A point P moves such that the difference of a distance from 2 points is constant. Then its a point will be hyperbola. No problem. Now after 24, Solve 23. Hurry up. Do it. Hurry up. Apart from these questions, solve recent questions of NDA today. Okay. Recent question of NDA. Today you will do it. Based on parabola. Based on parabola. Whether on tangents or normals. Question tangent based on question based on tangent normals, you should solve it. Otherwise, you'll be asked this type of questions. The tough question will be asked. It will be based only on tangents and normal. Tangents and normals. Understood? But you will ask mostly this type of questions. Okay? So do it. Hurry up. The ellipse and the circle. E the ellipse, C the circle. P and the what is the point? You should be auxiliary axis, auxiliary circle is given. Don't know, I think, auxiliary circles. An ellipse like that. Okay? Right. So you should think this is the point. Okay? uh, let P point, Q point, which one of the following is correct? Q point lie inside. Both you have to. So first test for P. So 1 square 1 by 9, 2 square 4, 4 by 4 1, and 1 cancel. So 1 greater than 0. P is outside the ellipse. Outside the ellipse. And for circle, 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. This is inside the ellipse. This is sorry, inside the circle. So P P lies inside C but outside C. Okay. What about Q? Which of the following is correct? So I find the correct option. I find the no need to test others. No need to test others. Right. Now solve 22. Hurry up. What's the equation of the directrix of the ellipse? X square. This will be 16. Y square. This will be 25. Again vertical ellipse. Again vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse eccentricity is y equal to plus sorry. Yeah, y equal to plus minus a by e. Plus minus a by b by e. Here it should be b by e. Right. Up to find. So here a square is equal to b square. It is the ellipse 1 minus e square. So a square is 16 upon 25. 1 minus e square is 9 upon 25 plus minus 3 by 5. So you will take only plus minus. B is your 5 or E is your 3 by 5. They will get y is equal to plus minus 25 by 3. So 3y and this will be plus minus 25 equal to 0. This is the correct option. So B is the correct option. B is the correct option for 22. Understood? Right? Now solve question number 21. Hurry up. Everyone. Circle drawn with the two foci as the end of the diameter. What is the equation of the circle? A circle is drawn with two foci of the ellipse at the end of the diameter. So x minus AE, x plus AE, diametric form, y minus 0 into y minus 0, right? This will be x square minus a square e square plus y square equal to 0. So this is x square plus y square equal to a square e square, and this is for diametric of ellipse. So b square, a square 1 minus e square. So a square e square is a square minus b square. You will get a square minus b square. B is the correct option. And understood, everyone? Good question. These are good questions for calculation based. For calculation based, this is the good questions. Now solve. Now solve 20. Hurry up. Simple questions. Hurry up. Do it. Locus of the point. What the locus of the point? The difference of whose distance from two fixed point being constant per hyperbola. I already told you, right? Now 19. Tell me 4 comma and 4 comma 0 minus the foci of the ellipse. Semi major, semi minor axis is 3, B is 3. In the ellipse passes through which one of the following points? So I have AE. AE is 4, foci is given. So we know that a square minus b square for ellipse is a square e square. So a square is b square is 9, a square is 16. So is plus minus 5. So it will pass through the vertex on major axis as a 5 comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0. One of the point is 5 comma 0. D is the correct answer. Understood, everyone? Tell me. Now solve 18 number. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good question. Do it. Do it. Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow for lectures? lecture होता है क्या सर? सर ऑनलाइन में ये बघ ना किती पार्टिसिपेंट्स आहेत. वही है. कोई भी नहीं है साल में हम भी जाते हैं. चलो बाय बाय. कोई भी नहीं है. Sit down. Solve 18 number. Hurry up. Hurry up. बड़ा जाम अच्छा होगा. सॉल्व करो ना 18 नंबर जल्दी. आज पूरा कर ही देंगे. 60 क्वेश्चन थे ना. कितने थे टोटल? 60 थे ना रे. कर ही देंगे टोटल. देख ले. ज्यादा टेंशन है तो कितना क्वेश्चन है. 62 क्वेश्चन थे. आज 60 क्वेश्चन बनाने का रिकॉर्ड बना. आपने बनाया ना 60 क्वेश्चन का वेक्टर 3D. 40 का था. हाँ 40 तो क्रॉस हो चुका। करो ना जल्दी, आ यार, करने क्वेश्चंस जल्दी। So got the 18B options. Now solve 17. Y square equal to 4x in the third and fourth. In the third and fourth quadrant, 17, 16 solve. Third and fourth downside, y square equal to, sorry, second and third, very good. Y square is equal to, that means left side. So second and third, C is the correct answer. 16. What does the equation of first degree contain? One arbitrary constant passes through a fixed point representing a straight line. Y equal to ax plus b. 1 degree equations. 1 degree polynomial. 1 degree polynomial represent a straight line. Y equal to ax plus b. Understood? Now, what is the 15? Tell me, what is the sum of the focal radii of any point of the ellipse? That is the length of the major axis. The length of the, many times this question came. Now solve 14. What is the if latest sectum equal to 1 half? We already solved root 3 by 2. Now solve 13 number. Good question. Good question. Solve it. Hurry up. 13 number. Solve it. Everyone. Solve it. Solve these questions. Everyone. You got the answer for 13 students? No. Equation of hyperbola with the eccentricity E equal to 3 by 2. Foci at AE is equal to 2 plus minus 2. What the value of the k? The value of the k, that means your a is given. They will get here. Directly find the equation of hyperbola. Directly find the equation of a is plus minus 2 by e plus minus 2 3 by 2. E is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So a is the foci. A is the a equal to 4 by 3. A square 16 by 9. Any problem? What is b square? B square is a square e square minus a square. Any problem? A square e square is 4. And this is 16 by 9. This could not be correct. A square e square minus 1. Any problem? No, no.
A मिल गया ना सर.
I have done. I find. Oh, sorry. I will find the A.
Equation चल जाएगा ना सर.
Yeah, equations. First, I will find B.
Direct.
I have
Compare करो ना सर direct.
E equal to 3 by 2. No problem. AE. Foci is plus minus 2. A square E square is. That's your 4. Any problem? Four. So 3 square 4 will go upside. 3 square 9 is downside. 9 by 4. So 16 by 9 A. Now for B square, I will find A square 1 minus. I will directly drop the parabola and equate K square. So A square is a hyperbola E square minus 1. Okay. So A square E square. A square. What is A square by 9? A square E square? 4. No problem. So
20 by 9.
36. Why upside I was doing wrong? Yeah, I was doing correct. I lost the path. Because I was doing the wrong things. Right? Now I will write hyperbola directly. So x square by a square. What is a square? 16 by 9. Is it 16 by 9? As y square, this is 20 by 9 is equal to 1. So this will be 9x square. 9 will be common. 9 by x square by 16 minus y square by 20 is equal to 1. Any problem? Now this will be, what is the LCM of this? 16 and 20? 4 4 16, 4 5 20. 160. Is it correct? So here you should get 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 4 5. 16 5 is 80. How you said 160?
Answer 3 sir. 4 by 3.
4y square 80 is equal to 1. So 5x square minus 4y square 80 by 9. That's k square. Okay. So under root 80. Under root 80 by 9. That is under root 80 by 3. 4 root 5 by 3.
तो निकाली सीधा कंपेयर करेंगे तो जो हाइपरबोलिक इक्वेशन को x स्क्वायर अपॉन k स्क्वायर अपॉन 5 लिखेंगे.
Oh yeah, no problem. You can do it.
What is
Yeah. You are saying that a square is equal to k square by 5, and this is equal to 16 by 9. You are telling that, and this is 4 root 5 by 3. Any problem? Now solve. Consider S1 Y1 and S2. This is S2 will be contained S1. S2 will contain S1 if B greater than A, B greater than A, and A greater than 0. No problem. Okay, right? So B is the correct answer. B is the lower focus will be a smaller parabola. Okay, the bigger focus will be bigger parabola. Okay, if you have a more length of focus is more. Okay, so parabola flare up more. Okay, if if focus length from vertex is less than, it will flare up less. Okay, right? Understood? Any problem? Now 11, do it. Do it, everyone.
is referred to B.
B greater than A. So correct. Now solve 10 number questions. I think you can solve rest of the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve up to 8. Hurry up. What is the following correct? The eccentricity of the ellipse. Conic. Lambda greater than equal to 0. Increase with about eccentricity. What the eccentricity? B square. Nothing is given. I will consider B square equal to A square 1 minus E square. Okay. So E square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. Any problem? B square is in place of B square plus lambda. Okay. A square plus lambda. Any problem? So A square plus lambda minus B square minus lambda, A square plus lambda. लैम्डा कैंसिल, फर्क पड़ेगा ना? पड़ेगा. A square minus B square, A square plus lambda. Any problem? Eccentricity will decrease with increase of lambda. So decrease with increase of lambda. B is the correct answer. Understood? Reciprocals. When you will take lambda more, will decrease, square root will decrease. Understood? No problem. No, thank you. Do question number 9. Hurry up. Hurry up. 9 number. Can you do on your own? How many points on the ellipse and the circles? How many points on the ellipse and the circles intersect? Yeah. This is a circle with radius 3. This is the circle with radius 3. and this is the ellipse, this is the vertical ellipse, and vertical ellipse the 2 is this side and 2 root 2 is there no points, 0 you will get. Ellipse go like that. Vertical length will be your 2 root 2, I hope. Vertical will be 2 root 2, horizontal will be 2. But the radius of the ellipse is 3. Radius of the ellipse is will it intersect? No. So you are saying wrong. None of these. Now solve on your own 1 to 7. Rest of the I don't know. नहीं वहीं पे कुछ नहीं किया मैंने, ये उसी में छोड़ा है. Rest of the questions you can do on your own. Okay. Thank you for listening my lectures. Thank you, sir. जय डॉक्टर